Hello, and welcome to Mini Orange. In this video, we will demonstrate how you can install Mini Orange OAuth client module on your Drupal site. There are three possible ways for the module installation. First, installation using Composer. Second, installation using Drush. And last, installation using Drupal UI. Let's start with the first method, installation using Composer. On your screen you will see the Composer command for installing the module. The same command will be provided in the video description for easy reference. Open a command prompt and navigate to the base location of the Drupal site. Then type in the Composer command. It will take a few seconds to install the module. Now, let's enable the module. To do that, go to the Extend tab of the Drupal site and search for the Mini Orange OAuth OIDC Client. Enable the checkbox and click on the Install button. That's it, the module is successfully installed on your site. Let's go with the next method, installation using Drush. Download the module using Composer command. Then enable the module using Drush command. For clearing the cache, use the Rebuild Cache command. All commands will be provided in the video description for easy reference. Open a command prompt and navigate to the base location of the Drupal site. Then type in the Composer command. Now, let's enable the module. To do that, enter the Drush command. Let's check if the module is enabled on the Drupal site. Go to the Extend tab of the Drupal site and search for the Mini Orange OAuth OIDC Client. As you can see, the module is successfully enabled using Drush. Let's start with the last method, installation using Drupal UI. First, download the zip or tar file from the link below. You will find this link in the description below. The Core Update Manager module must be installed for manual installation using Drupal UI. Scroll down to the Releases section and download the latest version of the module. Next, go to the Drupal site and click on the Extend tab of the module. Then click on the Add New Module button. Choose the downloaded zip file and click on the Continue button. Click on the Enable Newly Added Module link and search for the Mini Orange OAuth OIDC Client. Enable the checkbox and click on the Install button. The module is successfully installed. To explore the features of the module, feel free to reach out to us for a quick demo or trial. Thank you for watching the video. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to reach out us at drupalsupport@securify.com.